Former Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte was abducted before being taken to The Hague to face murder allegations and is too ill to give evidence. His lawyer told International Criminal Court judges at his initial appearance on Friday. Duterte, who arrived in the Netherlands on a flight from Manila on Wednesday after being arrested on an ICC warrant on charges of crimes against humanity, sounded frail as he spoke via video link from a detention unit, confirming his name and date of birth for the court. Defense attorney Salvador Medialdia said Duterte was too ill to say more, that his arrest and transfer to the Netherlands was pure and simple kidnapping, and that his client was suffering from debilitating medical issues. The former leader's daughter, Sara Duterte, the current vice president of the Philippines, watched the proceedings from the public gallery. Presiding Judge Julia Antonella Motok responded that the court doctor who examined Duterte upon arrival was of the opinion that he was fully mentally aware and fit. She added that Duterte and his lawyers can raise issues over his transfer to the court and his health at a later stage in the proceedings. Prosecutors have accused the 79-year-old of carrying out a systematic attack on the civilian population during his time in office. Thousands of purported drug dealers and users were killed during a crackdown when death squads he allegedly created and armed carried out widespread extrajudicial killings. For us victims of the war on drugs, this is the first step to attaining justice. The lawyer representing families of victims of drug-related killings in the Philippines, Gilbert Andres, said outside the court. Duterte arrived at Rotterdam Airport on a chartered plane Wednesday and was transferred to a detention unit on the Dutch coast up the road from the ICC building. In a video message on social media, he took responsibility for his actions. During the initial appearance, the judge summarized the allegations against Duterte, who was not asked to enter a plea. Duterte, who led the Philippines from 2016 to 2022, is set to be the first Asian former head of state to go on trial at the ICC, a court of last resort created more than 2 decades ago to prosecute individuals for war crimes, crimes against humanity, aggression, and genocide. Duterte has said that he suffers from a series of ailments, including a chronic neuromuscular disorder, back problems, migraines, and a condition that can cause blockages in the blood vessels. Duterte's surrender to the court marks a big victory for Chief Prosecutor Karim Khan, who faces U.S. sanctions over his arrest warrant for Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. At end of the hearing, judges set a confirmation of charges hearing to start on September 23rd, when prosecutors can present part of their evidence and judges decide what charges can be in the indictment. A trial would not be expected to start until early 2026. Reporting by Stephanie van den Berg and Anthony Deutsch. Editing by Alex Richardson and Andrew Heavens.